All of you come here. Listen to our elder brother.
Few words.
Few words. Okay.
I can only talk after 3 drinks. I've only had 2.
Let him speak.
One thing, I'm still not sure whether it is 70, 70, 17, 17.
We are sure.
17?
70.
70, not 17.
No.
Hey, no. It makes no difference. Whether you are 70 or 17, it makes no difference.
No.
70 and 17 is same.
Yeah, same.
For the people gathered here, friends of mine, my brothers, my sisters, my nieces, nephews, no grandnieces, no grandchildren, not yet.
Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais.
Off the dais, yes. Fallen off the dais also. All brothers and sisters.
Okay.
No in-laws. Because most of the
Consider him or everybody.
because most of the in-laws are outlaws.
They are the only one who are wanted. In-laws are not wanted.
It's coming. It's like Nero said, I sing as I compose. And, it's a day of immense happiness for me. It's not very often that I have pieces of happiness. I've had my happiness also. I have a very, very grateful heart. I've always enjoyed the love and affection of all my
Because he is a heart specialist.
Yes. Then, I'm especially thankful for people who have come. Actually, it's a family get-together, but taking the initiative, can I say, Elan Babu, of course, you have, in everything you have to say that. But all the others like Baby Putti and Soma, everybody participates.
Ernakulam is Babu and Leela.
Vinu and Bava.
They come and Yamarin.
All the way from...
There are NRIs, MRIs, and
bank account.
And my RIs.
Anyway, actually, one thing I can recommend to the newer generations, my father had 3 brothers and 4 sisters with an average of 4 progenies each. This is the crowd of that. But see what happened afterwards? 2 each, now 1 each. So my recommendation is like what Colonel Vidayathil said. Please have more.
You can say and go. Others will suffer.
Go forth and multiply.
Abraham not
All are in the 60 plus.
Can't have more.
Hey, listen to him. Listen. Hey, listen.
My 70th is over. Then, if you have to celebrate the 70th again, who's the next candidate?
Anichan.
Somachi.
Next year.
like Olympics.
Running and catching.
Torch.
Pass the torch. Somachi.
Pass the torch.
Somachi. Actually,
President-elect.
no. Somachi was planning to go. She didn't want to reveal her age. That's why it's a danger.
No, it is the other way around.
That is an open secret.
Actually, this is not any family. This is the family clan.
Yes. Really.
That is the name. That is the name.
That's it. But we must take a count. Okay. Ile Babu.
No.
Let him finish.
You don't know him.
I must play some book. I don't thank where is it?
Stay complete.
Dubai, San Diego,
ന്യൂസിലാൻഡ്, ഓക്ലൻഡ്, കല്ലൂർ.
And the world.
ഈ കല്ലൂർക്കാരൻ ഇത് രണ്ട് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി, രണ്ടുപേരെ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചായി.
Modi's party.
ചെന്നൈ also.
അല്ലല്ല, it's made up, cooked up.
കോന്നി ഇവിടെ വന്നു, എറണാകുളത്ത്.
കുഞ്ചാച്ച, what is your actual birth date? പറയാൻ പറഞ്ഞ ഇനി ഞങ്ങൾ കുക്കപ്പ് ചെയ്തു. ആണോ? രണ്ടവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. ബാബു
പറയാൻ പാടില്ല.
രണ്ട് വേർഡ്.
അല്ല, ഞങ്ങൾ ആരും വിചാരിച്ചില്ല ഞങ്ങളെ ഹാർട്ടേ കയറി പിടിക്കുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ,
അതാ
ശരി, താങ്ക് യു.